Hi, it's Craig from Gorilla Hub. One of the most common calls we get is from a customer who's been working on their website and they've made changes to it, and they look at it and it's all gone a little bit funky. Normally they get into a bit of a state of panic because they think that their business website is all broken and the whole internet is looking at it. So there's a couple of tips that I was going to share if this happens to you. First of all, don't panic. What happens often is when you're making changes to your site, it's changing the code for some of the layout and styling, and your browser is caching this for performance. So your browser probably hasn't got up to, probably hasn't downloaded the latest changes that you've made because it's been cached. It will refresh in time, but you might see a broken website for a period. Before you panic, there's a couple of things to test before you give us a call. The first thing I'm going to show you is incognito mode. So if we go to our website, let's pretend that I've been working on this earlier. I've made some changes and I've just looked at it and it's all gone weird. We're missing a headline here. This text has gone really narrow, and there's a red box that's missing here. So the first thing to do is open up an incognito browser and go look at your website, and as you can see, it looks fine. We've got that text back. This subheadline is the right width, and you can see that there's a red box showing under there. That's always the quickest and easiest way to check that problems are local to you. There is something else if you can't get that working, or you want to be doubly sure. There is a great website called Am I Responsive? I'll drop the link below, but you open this up and you type in your website that you want to look at, and it's going to render it on a desktop, a laptop, a tablet and a mobile. Now, because this isn't using any of your local setup, it's not within your browser, it's not using any of your local resources, it shows pretty much what someone on the internet is going to see, and as you can see, the website looks fine here. So before you get into a bit of a panic and urgently try and get hold of someone to help fix your supposedly broken website, try these things first of all. They might get you out of a bit of a jam, and if you've got any problems or questions around your website, give me a call.